Hello and welcome to my handcrafted corner. Today we are going to make this flower crochet granny square. It's made with 3 color yarns. This is how it looks on the back. Let's get started. For this project we are going to use a 3mm hook, and we will start with a magic ring. And chain 1. We will make 1 single crochet into the ring, chain 1, and this will count as our first double crochet. Next we will make 2 chains, 1, 2, and make 1 double crochet. So here we have 2 double crochets separated by 2 chains. So our iteration for this round will be 1 double crochet, chain 2, 8 times. Chain 2, 1 double crochet, and so on until the end of this round. We have now 8 double crochets and chain 2 repeats, and we will close the ring and join the work by slip stitching into the first stage, and this is our first stage. So it's the first from chain 2. This is our first double crochet, and this is the first stitch from the chain 2 from the previous round, and we will slip stitch here. We will continue with chain 1, and into this space between the 2 double crochet we will make 1 single crochet and chain 1. Again, this will count as our first double crochet on this second round, and we will continue to make 3 more double crochets. 2, 3, and 4 in total. Chain 1, and we will go into the next space and make 4 more double crochets. 1, 2, 3, and 4, chain 1, and we will continue in the same way in each of the spaces that we have created in the previous round. Let's do this one more time. So 4 double crochets into this space, 1, 2, 3, and 4, chain 1, until the end of the round. Chain 1, and we will cut the yarn and join the work. We will go into this first stage and from the back of the work and we will join the new color. With the next color we will make a slip knot first, we will start our third round in any of these spaces between the 4 double crochets into the chain 1 space, and we will make first 1 double crochet, and 2 more into the same space, chain 3, 1, 2, 3, and into the same space we will make 3 more double crochets. So 1, 2, and 3. As you can see, this is our first corner of the square, and we will continue working one of the sides, the first one, and we will chain 1, and we will go into the next space between 4 double crochets into the chain 1 space and make 3 double crochets. So 1, 2, and 3. Chain 1, and we will go into the next space and do the same as we did in the first space here. So we will continue with our second corner from the square. So 3 double crochets, 1, 2, 3, chain 3, 1, 2, 3, and into the same space 3 more double crochets. 1, 2, and 3. Our second corner is done, and we will continue in the same way with the second side of the square. So we will chain 1, and into the next space we will make 3 double crochets, 1, 2, and 3. Chain 1, We will do the exact same thing until the end of the round. So into one space, into the first one, we will make 3 double crochets, chain 3 double crochets, and we will chain 1 next, followed by 3 double crochets and chain 1. So the corners of the squares are made from 6 double crochets separated by chain 3, and the sides are made from 3 double crochets, and on the side of these 3 double crochets chain 1. So we will do the same until the end of this round. I am now at the end of this third round, and we will cut the yarn so that we can join it and have a nice edge into the same way as we did on our previous round. So we will go into the first stitch and pull the yarn like this, waving the ends, and switch to our next color. With the new color, we will make one slip knot, and we will start our next round in any of the corners from the square, and we will work the corners in the same way as we did on our previous round. So we will start with 3 double crochets. So yarn over and make the first one, 2, 3, chain 3, 1, 2, 3, and into the same space we will make 3 more double crochets. 1, 2, and 3. Chain 1. We will go into the next space and make 3 double crochets. 1, 2, 3. Chain 1, and into the next space again 3 double crochets. 1, 2, and 3. Chain 1, and into the corner we will do the same steps from this corner. So 3 double crochets, chain 3, and into the same space 3 more double crochets. 1, 2, and 3. And here is our second corner from this round, and we will continue in the same way. So into the corners we will make 3 double crochets, chain 3, 3 double crochets, and on the sides of the square we will make in each of the spaces 3 double crochets separated by 1 chain until the end of the round. I have now completed my last set of 3 double crochets. I will chain 1 and we will cut the yarn and join the work. We will go and grab the yarn into this first stitch and bring it through this one now from the back like this, and we will wave in the ends. Our square is ready. This is how it looks on the back. And if you want to make the square larger, you can continue in the same way. So into the corners, you will always make 6 double crochets separated by chain 3, and into the sides, you will work in these spaces 3 double crochets, and they will be separated by chain 1. And you can continue in this way until the desired length of your square. Happy crocheting!